welcome again to our yet another episode of You Can Be the Change. And in our Stay Fit kind of routine, today we are also again talking to a wonderful person, Shweta, who has kindly agreed to be on our podcast channel talking about health and fitness. We did talk about physiotherapy and we've spoken about how physiotherapy helps, but Shweta today would be sharing with us how being physically healthy as a routine will help. And she's a health coach, doing she was into 10 years of a corporate job, and then that's what she left and towards making people and herself towards health and fitness, and then kind of driving that, right, Shweta? And and I believe you have two young daughters as well, so you are a mother. You had a corporate job that you left. Now you are a health coach. You're trying to teach people how to stay healthy, not just physically, but also kind of putting in routine from a diet point of view and all other stuff, right? So thank you so much for agreeing to be on our podcast channel. We will be talking a lot, here, but why don't you introduce yourselves first, and then we'll get started from there.
Sure. Thank you, Sugandha. Thank you very much for having me here. It's a privilege. हमें ऐसा लगता है कि हमारा काम नोटिस हो रहा है और लोगों तक पहुंच रहा है, आई थिंक। और आप तक अगर ये चीज आपने हमें इनवाइट किया, मुझे इनवाइट किया, आई थिंक आई एम वेरी ग्रेटफुल एंड ग्रैटिट्यूड। If I talk about myself, I am uh, a mother. I am a mother of two girls. I stay in Delhi with my husband. Uh, and I have 10 years of experience in IT industry as an HR. तो 10 साल वहाँ काम करने के बाद, because of the family responsibilities, because of no support at home, me and my husband decided that I'll quit my job. But that doesn't mean कि मेरा career खत्म हो गया. I am a career-oriented woman. I always wanted to have my own career, big career, successful career. And that's how I also did soft skills training. I'm a certified soft skills trainer. I do that as a part-time. And along with that, I started with health and fitness. So health came to me, I'll talk about it, how it came. But health and fitness, I'm there for last 4 years now. And it's a great journey of transformation, transforming myself, transforming my family, transforming people around me. It's great.
Nice.
So that's about me.
Yeah. Oh no, it's a great journey that you're sharing, and I did not know that you are a soft skill coach as well. Maybe I'll need some soft skill training from you as well. So now I know who to go to. So talking about you having to change your career aspiration, and running from being from a full-fledged corporate job of an HR, you decided to leave that, and then you got into health and fitness, right? I mean, or maybe it was an informed decision between you and your husband. But why health and fitness? Why not something else, which was easier, maybe?
You're absolutely right, because हमें ऐसा लगता है कि हेल्थ क्यों ही जरूरी है ना, क्या करना है। अभी हम मदर्स हैं तो हमारा वेट तो बढ़ेगा ना।
Right.
थिंक लाइक दैट।
Yeah.
क्यों हमें हेल्थ में जाना है, व्हाई इज इट सो इम्पोर्टेंट?
Right.
But over the time I have realized, because when I was blessed with my second girl, I became really fat and I was overweight, and I had a lot of health issues which popped up. I mean, the mothers can relate to this, the kind of back pain and other physical issues that you struggle with. तो वो सब चीजें मैं फेस कर रही थी. I wanted a solution for that. मैं तो उस solution को देखने निकली थी.
Right. Okay.
But as होता है ना कि सब कुछ decided है.
Right.
In some way or the other, you'll change or make an impact in people's lives.
Right.
तो मुझे ये opportunity मिला, through my mentor, to be part of this health and fitness domain. तो मैंने खुद तो अपना transformation किया ही.
Right.
I fell in love with health and fitness when I transformed myself. क्योंकि मैं जो पहले थी और जो मैं अब हूँ, आई एम अ चेंज्ड पर्सन.
Uh-huh.
The
Right.
confidence level has improved. You are more outgoing. You just want to share your experience with the world. तो
Right.
आप एक अलग पर्सनालिटी मेरी निकल के आई. I'll show you my previous pics.
Of course, we would like to see that.
That
Yeah.
आप बिलीव नहीं करोगे that I am the same girl.
Uh-huh. Uh-huh.
So this fitness and health has changed my life.
Mm-hmm.
मुझे जो पॉजिटिव चीजें मिली,
Mm-hmm.
I decided that I will take it further. I will
And
take it further with people around me.
right, and rightly so. Then you are on our channel, because our channel is called "You Can Be the Change." So you are actually, I can say you will be the brand ambassador for that, right? Because you're driving the change into people's life, and then maybe you learn from yourself, and then kind of wanted to kind of take it there, which is commendable, Vishweta. I mean, for sure, and of course we'll talk about your journey, and how you have transformed not only yourself, your family, and now you're transforming people, right? And in today's world, when mental health is spoken a lot, right, and especially after COVID, when people were home, and there was a lot of negativity around, and that's where the much talk about the mental health or mental fitness came into play. But I think physical health, while people do say that physical health is also important, but I think today also people feel going to gym is being physically healthy, right? I mean, if you're going to gym, that's the only aspect to being a physically healthy. So I would want to hear from the expert, what do you perceive of it when you say physical health or physical fitness?
Hmm. Uh, Sugandha, that's a great question, because मुझे ऐसा लगता है कि physical health और mental health
Mhm.
is very much related.
Mhm.
अब रही बात जिम की, तो जिम plays an important role, no doubt. It plays an important role in building a strength
Mhm.
in which is much needed for women.
True.
वो बहुत जरूरी है, मैं उसको बिल्कुल भी डिनाई नहीं करती. I am myself a gym lover. I
Yeah.
go to gym every day. So gym, आप हमें जाना चाहिए for strength, for muscle building. We are losing muscle mass every year.
Mhm.
Once you turn certain age, you
Mhm.
start losing muscle mass.
Right.
तो वो
Okay.
build करने के लिए gym तो जाना है.
Mhm.
But there is another aspect of health.
Mhm.
आप कैसे healthy रह सकते हो? सिर्फ सुबह उठ के 30 to 40 minutes अगर आप walk कर रहे हो,
Mhm.
that is also part of being into a healthy routine.
Right.
वो भी एक आपकी physical fitness पे help करता है.
Right.
Just by drinking water,
Mhm.
3 to 4 liters of water every day is being physically fit.
Mhm.
Having a good sleep,
Mhm.
time पे सो जाना, is
Mhm.
also a healthy habit.
Right.
So all these small things also contribute to health.
Right.
तो हेल्थ सिर्फ जिम जाके ही नहीं बनेगी.
Mhm.
आप सो के उठ के क्या कर रहे हो,
Mhm.
तब तक जब तक आप सोने जा रहे हो बेड पे,
Right.
पूरा दिन आपकी जो दिनचर्या है
Right.
is makes a healthy routine.
Right. Now
Not just
that gives me a reminder that I should be drinking much more water, because I'm a person who forgets to drink water, admittedly. So at times I do realize that I've not taken enough water for the day. So good reminder for me as well from that point of view. But what is your take on people? Of course, there's a lifestyle changes. There's now a lot of work on laptop, and especially kids after COVID also, with these online classes, kids have to be on the in front of the screen. Plus screen time, I think, has increased. Like when we were kids, right? I mean, हमारा बचपन था कि it was mandatory that you have to go and play outside, and you have to play in park for around 1.5 2 hours. And TV was like, in our growing age, TV was only Sundays. Like, you can only watch movies, or you can watch those Mahabharata and Ramayana and all that, right? So TV was like 1 hour a day, as compared to today when kids have 24/7 kind of screen time. So how are you kind of, as a health coach, what is the difference that you're seeing between our growing age versus now you have two daughters as well, so that kids, and how do you propose that we should imbibe, like, now I know unfortunately screen is something we cannot take away. But how do we still stay healthy or make our kids realize that, being physically active is as important as for them the screen time is?
Absolutely, I agree, Sugandha, that the times have changed. अभी स्क्रीन टाइम है, बट उनके लिए ये जानना भी जरूरी है दैट हाउ लैपटॉप वर्क्स, है ना, हाउ मोबाइल वर्क्स, नहीं तो वो पीछे रह जाएंगे रेस।
राइट, ऑफ कोर्स।
ये इम्पोर्टेंट है। आई बिलीव देयर शुड बी अ टाइम मैनेजमेंट हियर। वी शुड गिव अ पर्टिकुलर टाइम स्लॉट फॉर दिस वर्क, फॉर द स्क्रीन, and more time for physical work, which is like playing or going outside, है ना। वो kids के लिए, for me, I have set a routine for my kids. To be very frank, when I pursued or I started health and fitness, I ensured that my kids also inculcate those habits. सुबह उठ के एक्सरसाइज करनी है, my 5-year-old will stand up and say, Mama, आज exercise करते हैं. And I feel so happy when they see my workouts and do the exercise themselves. अभी वो कुछ खाती है छोटी वाली, तो वो मुझसे पूछती है, मम्मा ये हेल्दी है कि अनहेल्दी है? तो मेरे हिसाब से सिर्फ ये बातें हो रही हैं हमारे घर में हेल्दी अनहेल्दी की, एक्सरसाइज की, ये होना ही एक बहुत अच्छी बात है। तो हमें अपनी फैमिलीज में ये डिस्कशंस हमेशा ऑन रखने चाहिए। व्हाट इज हेल्दी फॉर मी, व्हाट इज नॉट हेल्दी फॉर मी। आज मैं जिम जा रही हूँ तो आई नो मुझे बाद में अपने बच्चों को बोलना नहीं पड़ेगा कि तुम भी जिम जाओ, दे विल देमसेल्व्स डू इट। एक टाइम सेट कर लेना फॉर स्क्रीन, एंड ऑफ कोर्स फिजिकल एक्टिविटी इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट। मुझे लगता है कि आजकल बच्चों का दे लैक इन लॉट ऑफ डेफिशिएंसीज रहती हैं, थोड़ा सा खेलते हैं थक जाते हैं। I think that is where the nutrition will play an important role. Why I emphasized on nutrition as well? क्योंकि अगर if you're taking right nutrition, you will have that energy to go out and play.
Correct. Right.
तो बच्चे क्या करते हैं, खेल के आए, मम्मा पैर में दर्द हो रही है ना?
Of course.
They're not sleeping on time. So I think we can schedule a time. Time management के साथ this balance will be there.
Right. So you brought up a good point. Like, physically healthy not just is about physical activities. It also includes good nutrition and good diet as well, right? So there's one aspect of doing physical activities, and then there is an aspect of eating healthy food. Now, again, with today's lifestyle, while people are getting conscious about healthy food, but then there are very misnomers about healthy food also, right? Like, and then you see a lot of allergies. We have nut allergies, or we have gluten allergies, or we are lactose intolerant, which growing up, we never heard of, right? I mean, we did not know what is lactose intolerant, right? We've been having that. So how, as a health coach, you are like, what is your advice to people towards healthy lifestyle, not just by physical health, but more towards nutrition and towards diet, a healthy diet as well?
Great question, Sugandha. Actually, Sugandha, हमारे पहले जो जमाने में जैसे हमारे दादा दादी रहते थे, तब जो खाना आता था ना, वो था पौष्टिक आहार, जिसको हम कहते थे। मुझे नहीं लगता कि आज के टाइम में हमें पौष्टिक आहार मिलता है।
Exactly.
आज जो भी सब्जी फ्रूट चाहे आप खा रहे हो, बट इट इज एडल्ट्रेटेड, या फिर पेस्टिसाइड्स का यूज हुआ है, तो इट इज नॉट एज न्यूट्रिशियस जो सीधा फार्म से आता है और न्यूट्रिशियस खाना होता है। तो आई थिंक यहाँ पर क्या है ना, अभी क्या हो रहा है, जो बीमारी 50 साल की उम्र में होती थी, वो अब 20 साल की उम्र में होने लग गई है। लाइफस्टाइल डिजीजेस इतनी जल्दी होने लग गए हैं इज बिकॉज ऑफ दैट न्यूट्रिशन। जो खाना हम खा रहे हैं ना, उसमें न्यूट्रिशन है ही नहीं, या फिर इतना मिनिमल है कि हमारी बॉडी को जितना चाहिए उतना मिल ही नहीं पाता। तो फिर क्या करें? फॉर दैट इज वेयर द न्यूट्रिशन कम्स इनटू पिक्चर। वहां पर हमें ज्यादा से ज्यादा, देखो, मैं आई डोंट ऑलवेज से कि सब्जियां फ्रूट्स ये सब तो खाना ही है। देर आर अदर एस्पेक्ट्स वेयर यू कैन सप्लीमेंट योर डाइट with the things. जैसे अभी my daughter was complaining last like when she was 3 years old, she was complaining कि पैर में दर्द हो रहा है। एंड वी वर शॉक्ड, यार पैर में दर्द हो रहा है बच्ची को. वी वेंट टू द डॉक्टर. डॉक्टर व्हाट दे सजेस्टेड, इसको विटामिन डी दो और इसको विटामिन सम मल्टीविटामिन दो. राइट. तो दैट इज द नीड ऑफ द आवर. दैट इज द नीड ऑफ द आवर, क्योंकि खाने से वो नहीं मिल रहा. आई वुड सजेस्ट कि खाना आप डेफिनेटली लो, अच्छी बात है, बहुत अच्छी क्वांटिटी में खाओ, फ्रूट्स एंड वेजिटेबल्स खाओ. बट इफ यू आर नॉट एबल टू फुलफिल योर न्यूट्रिशनल रिक्वायरमेंट, ये स्टिग्मा है कि सप्लीमेंट्स नहीं लेना. गो फॉर सप्लीमेंट्स ऑल्सो. इवन डॉक्टर्स आर सजेस्टिंग नाउ. तो आई वांट टू ब्रेक दैट स्टिग्मा कि यार सप्लीमेंट खाएंगे तो क्या हो जाएगा. इट इज जस्ट एन ऑल्टरनेट or fulfilling your daily need of nutrition. That's it. तो खाना ही है, एक हेल्दी डाइट तो लेनी ही है. बट व्हेन यू सप्लीमेंट इट, यू विल एक्चुअली फोकसिंग कि मुझको मेरी डेली रिक्वायरमेंट न्यूट्रिशन की पूरी हो. दैट्स इट. तो जो बिजी प्रोफेशनल्स हैं एंड दे आर ऑलवेज इनटू वर्क, आई वुड सजेस्ट देम कि ठीक है, लाइक go for nutrition as which consult a doctor, consult a health coach. They will guide you.
Right. Okay. So now getting on to the other aspect to it is कि हमने बात की कि healthy diet होना चाहिए plus vitamin होना चाहिए, because that's also fulfilling or the deficiency that you still get from your healthy diet, or so-called healthy diet. And then we're talking about being physically active or physical health, right? ये हम बात करें normal एक generation ki, which is mid 40, like up to mid 40s, 50s, and right. But when it comes to senior people, right, seniors like my father, right, who's a 70 plus, right, now he cannot walk that much. He cannot do a lot of physical exercise as much, right? Plus winters hai abhi, so he can't go out much. Winters India mein is it's all fog and all that stuff, right? So what, as a health coach, do you have advice for people of senior age?
I'll tell you, my mother, she used to have a lot of knee pain. And आपको भी पता होगा कि आजकल क्या है कि नी पेन की बात होती है तो डॉक्टर सजेस्ट गो फॉर नी रिप्लेसमेंट.
Right.
I suggest that the senior people should have right nutrition. It is much needed for them. क्योंकि खाना तो मैंने आपको बोला कि इतना पौष्टिक आहार नहीं है.
Right.
I think they should quit sugar. I'm saying that straight because that's the need of the hour. I think मेरे इस टॉक से अगर कोई इससे बेनिफिट कर पाए, zero sugar, and then go for some nutrition. क्योंकि ये जो जब हम जैसे एज हो रहे हैं ना, 50 प्लस, जैसे आपने बोला, हमारी मम्मी पापा दादा दादी, ये इन लोगों they are facing the problem of that deficiency, knee pain या फिर बाकी physical activity नहीं कर पा रहे हैं. It's because कि न्यूट्रिशन की रिक्वायरमेंट तो बढ़ गई, लेकिन प्लेट पे उतना ही खाना है. तो उनकी न्यूट्रिशन रिक्वायरमेंट भी बढ़ जाती है ना जैसे जैसे हम एज होते हैं. तो आई वुड स्ट्रांगली सजेस्ट कि डोंट टेक शुगर, गो फॉर न्यूट्रिशियस डाइट, कंसल्ट अ डॉक्टर. आई वुड रादर देन going for any artificial thing, go for natural ones, which will help them more. And some physical activity, in a sense, even if it is a walk, it will help. 30 minutes walk will help. और ऐसा नहीं है कि सुबह उठ के करनी है, दिन में कभी भी करो.
And India में तो I think I just tell my mom कि the amount of doorbell and the number of time you have to just go and open the door, like from the room and just main entrance. I think that's a lot of work, because every 10 minutes there's someone coming, and you're having to open the door and do that. One question, Shweta, that I would also want to know from you is that usually women, and especially when they become mothers, we as women first do not tend to keep our physical health or any of our necessities at the end. Like, husband hai, bache hai, घर में बड़े बुजुर्ग हैं, so we'll take care of everybody else and then we will not take care of ourselves, right? And especially after becoming a mother, when you need much more energy because you have to run around the kids as well as take care of their physical being as well, and then also take care of their nutritional aspects and the school and everything. So how do you see ki, one, how should mothers take care of their health first, and then are you also seeing the same thing ki you get more of women because they don't take care of themselves like as much they should be?
राइट राइट सुगंधा, ये बहुत ज्यादा बड़ी प्रॉब्लम है।
हम्म,
प्रॉब्लम मैं इसलिए बोल रही हूँ क्योंकि हमें, वी एज अ वुमेन, वी फील दैट वी शुड कंसिडर आवरसेल्व्स एज लास्ट।
yeah.
और वो फीलिंग कई बार इसलिए भी आती है कि हमें लगता है कि हम सेल्फिश हो जा रहे हैं। हम अपना अगर टाइम अपने आप को दे रहे हैं तो इट्स बीइंग सेल्फिश। बट आई हैव टू टेल यू दैट, आप खुद सोचो, अगर मी एज अ मदर इज नॉट हेल्दी, हाउ विल आई कीप माई फैमिली हेल्दी?
Right.
आप मानते हो कि बच्चे मदर पे जाते हैं,
Correct. Yep,
है
of
ना?
course.
लॉट ऑफ यू विल अग्री।
Hmm.
बच्चों का जो 50 से ज्यादा % जो नेचर है या बिहेवियर है या व्हाट द थिंकिंग है, वो सब मदर पे जाता है। आप सोचो, अगर मदर अनहेल्दी है, if she is not fit, if she is not healthy, if she is suffering inside, what is passing on to children?
Right.
तो वो, अगर आप अपनी खुद का हेल्थ का ख्याल रख रहे हो या सेल्फ केयर में इंडल्ज हो रहे हो, इट इज नॉट सेल्फिश, इट इज अ नेसेसिटी, इट इज अ प्रायोरिटी।
Right.
So especially I would say to all the mothers who are listening to this, self care is your priority. If you're a mother, it is a necessity.
Right.
So don't feel that you're being selfish here. If you are healthy, you will be able to make your children healthy.
Right.
ऐसा कहते हैं ना, healthy mother makes a healthy family.
Right. Yeah,
An
exactly.
unhealthy mother makes an unhealthy family. Simple and straight.
Yeah. No, I think you said it right. Like, unless mothers who are actually the caretakers also of the whole family, right? I mean, not just the kids, but the husband or whoever in the family, right? So if they are not healthy and if they are not taking care of themselves, how will they take care of the others in the family, right? I mean, they have to keep their, like how when in the flight, right, it is said ki pehle aap apna mask lagaye and then you oxygen mask and then you put it to the others. So I think same analogy here, for mothers to take care of the kids, first they should be healthy enough, right? That yeah, very well said. Yeah.
I listen to a lot of my clients, they
हाँ.
say कि यार बच्चों के साथ खेला नहीं जाता because they're not healthy enough.
Right.
And then they get into the program, they adopt some healthy habits.
Right.
They come back to me and say, now I can play with my kids. I can sit on the floor.
Right. Yeah.
Children, you have to do n number of things.
Right. Exactly.
That's needed.
Yeah. I totally agree. Now, there's another thing that's happening a lot, Shweta, is that, at a younger age, we are seeing people getting diabetic or people having high blood pressure, or, again, it's more of lifestyle also. I mean, of course, it can be genetic, but then mostly it is also lifestyle that, people are getting that, right? So if say I am I'm a pre-diabetic person, right? So then how, as a health coach, you would advise me to kind of averse my diabetes and I'm not like, I do not need to take medication because then it's like lifelong that I'm taking.
थैंक्स सुगंधा, बिकॉज ये चीज अवेयरनेस बहुत जरूरी है इन पीपल। डायबिटीज है अगर तो लाइफ टाइम दवाई चलेगी ऐसा जरूरी नहीं है। यू कैन रिवर्स योर डायबिटीज। डायबिटीज क्या है? इट इज अ लाइफस्टाइल डिजीज। लाइफस्टाइल को अगर ठीक कर दोगे तो डायबिटीज भी ठीक हो जाएगी। एंड फॉर दैट मैटर एनी लाइफस्टाइल डिजीज, थायराइड, फैटी लिवर, पीसीओडी, माइग्रेन, पीपल मतलब डॉक्टर से हम पूछते हैं माइग्रेन क्यों हो रहा है, देयर इज नो आंसर। पता नहीं, देयर इज नो स्टडी कि माइग्रेन क्यों होता है, बट इट इज ऑल लाइफस्टाइल। तो अगर आप लाइफस्टाइल को ठीक कर दोगे तो ये चीजें भी रिवर्स हो जाएंगी। तो व्हाट वाज योर क्वेश्चन, लाइक
how
डायबिटीज में हमें क्या
right
ध्यान रखना है?
right
तो फॉर दैट अगेन लाइफस्टाइल ही इम्पोर्टेंट है, और लाइफस्टाइल में कुछ 3-4 चीजें हैं जो आती हैं। पहला, हेल्दी डाइट। सेकंड, फिजिकल एक्टिविटी ऑफ एनी काइंड। कोई जरूरी नहीं है हाई इंटेंसिटी वर्कआउट करना है जिम में जाके, जस्ट अ वॉक विल ऑल्सो हेल्प। थर्ड इज राइट न्यूट्रिशन इन फूड। फोर्थ, स्ट्रेस मैनेजमेंट। आजकल हर बीमारी की जो जड़ है वो स्ट्रेस है। स्ट्रेस बॉडी में बढ़ जाता है, which leads to n number of problems, which includes heart attacks as well.
right
तो स्ट्रेस मैनेजमेंट बहुत इम्पोर्टेंट है, और ये ही 4 चीजें हैं जिसपे हम फोकस करते हैं थ्रू आवर हेल्दी वेट लॉस प्रोग्राम। इन 4 चीजों को अगर आपने ठीक कर लिया, देखो स्ट्रेस जो है हम उसे खत्म नहीं कर सकते, बट हम उसे मैनेज कर सकते हैं,
right
उसको संभाल सकते हैं। कैसे? दिमाग पे ज्यादा जोर ना पड़े, कुछ ऐसी एक्टिविटीज हम अपनी लाइफ में लेकर आए जिससे हम स्ट्रेस से दूर रह सके,
true
है ना? तो ये 4 चीजें अगर आप फॉलो करोगे तो डायबिटीज तो क्या, हर एक लाइफस्टाइल डिजीज से मुक्ति पा सकते हैं। वी कैन गेट रिड ऑफ इट।
Well said that, I think, as you rightly said, right? Stress is actually leading to a lot of issues today, right? Stress की वजह से ही we are hearing heart attacks at a very younger age. Of course, there's a lifestyle change, less of physical activities, plus the stress that we have, work stress, personal stress, or whatever, right? I mean, and then the competition that you see. And आजकल तो you hear young kids saying कि हमें stress है. Like we had never heard about stress as a word when we were young, but आजकल तो you can hear 5-6 year old saying कि oh, I'm very stressed. So yeah, I mean, I think that's a great point that you're bringing in here, that it's like anything that's like more lifestyle related, or issue concerns related, then you can always averse it by following a healthy diet and following a routine. Now, if I come to you, Shweta, as a, seeking advice as a health coach, what you would suggest me as like my day-to-day activities, knowing that, मेरा job भी है, and, I have a sitting job where 8 to 10 hours I'm at laptop and I'm working and all. So as a health coach, what do you advise ki this is your day, life in a day should look like? If you can suggest us.
वर्किंग प्रोफेशनल।
Yeah.
सी, आई स्ट्रांगली बिलीव, आप चाहे कितनी भी बिजी हो, आप काम कर रहे हो, यू आर वर्किंग, यू आर सेविंग अ फिजिकल वेल्थ, फाइनेंशियल वेल्थ, है ना? कि आप अभी पैसा कमाओगे, फिर बाद में जाके आप उसको सेव कर रहे हो कि बाद में काम आएगा, है ना? जब 50-60 के हो जाओगे, पैसा हम निकाल पाएंगे, सेविंग्स कर रहे हैं, वी आर वर्किंग फुल टाइम, और पैसा कमा रहे हैं, सेव कर रहे हैं, इन्वेस्ट कर रहे हैं। फिजिकल वेल्थ भी होता है जो आपके 50-60 की उम्र में काम आता है, तो उसके लिए आज आप क्या कर रहे हो? तो मुझे ऐसा लगता है, वर्क करो, 9 आवर्स 10 आवर्स जो भी रिक्वायरमेंट है वो करो, बट फिजिकल वेल्थ का भी ध्यान रखो। सुबह उठ के 6 बजे आप वर्कआउट करो और फिर पूरे दिन काम करो। एंड ऑफ द डे आप सेटिस्फाइड रहोगे कि हाँ, मैंने आज सुबह कुछ किया था, नो रिग्रेट्स, अपनी फिजिकल वेल्थ के लिए भी काम किया था। क्योंकि आज अगर आप फिजिकल वेल्थ में इन्वेस्ट नहीं करोगे तो कल को 50-60 की उम्र में आपको प्रॉब्लम्स आएंगी। खर्चा, अभी हम जिसको कहते हैं ना कि यार हेल्थ पे क्या खर्चा करना, ये खर्चा नहीं है। यहाँ इस समय पे डाइट फॉलो करना, हेल्थ कोच हायर करना या फिर जिम जाना खर्चा नहीं है। खर्चा वो है जो हॉस्पिटल में जाके देना पड़ेगा। ये तो इन्वेस्टमेंट है।
Right. Oh, well, very, very good analogy. Actually, I would say, Shweta, ki, it's like if you're investing towards your physical health today, it's actually you're banking that also towards your your retirement when you would need it the most, right? I mean, similar to your wealth, your financial wealth that you need after retirement the most, right? And to enjoy life, to enjoy your retirement, you should work towards your physical health today also, right? So I think I got inspired a lot hearing you and kind of the advices that you gave us, Shweta. And I do believe that people listening into this episode would get inspired, as much inspired. And if we are able to convert at least two people and make their life transform, then I think we've achieved something. So thank you so much, Shweta. Really appreciate you sharing all the details with us. And people who are listening in, if you would want to just reach out to Shweta for any health advices, any health coaching advices. I mean, I think I'm just saying it on your behalf, but I think you would be super happy if people will reach out to you. So I'm just looking forward to start following, at least start with my drinking water habit, that I should make it a routine. But thank you very much. Really appreciated the talks, and I'm hoping we'll be doing much more episodes with you, Shweta. So thank you so much for gracing our episode.
Absolutely, Sugandha. Thank you, everyone. Thanks for listening to us. Thanks for being so patient listeners. And if you want to transform your health, I think you know where to reach out. Thank you, Sugandha.
Thank you.